Nigeria government are planning to ban nurses from traveling out of the country. This is happening and there is ongoing protest as we are talking right now. What is the cause of this protest? They say the nurses say the country things no dey work well. Most of them once they finish school they go japa comot for the country. And now the government don come outside say they no go japa again. Nobody go japa comot for the country anymore. Now wetin dey go on? So these protests are going on now. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balaba Gist. Today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see dey here dey bring updates back to back as e dey hot. As e dey red now, wey we dey talk, they say that the Nigerian nurse don provoke. Say if they do this protest finish, say make the government restore comot that order wey they wan put. Say they no go japa comot for the country. Say if they no do am, they go carry flag again. If they say no, they go strike everlasting. Say they no go come work again. No, so if you dey sick now, make you dey careful because very soon maybe nobody go come dey check you again because things dey happen now. So we dey talk. However, let's watch the protest before we come back and continue.
Please bring the mic down a bit.
So, on behalf of myself and the great Nigerian nurses, we actually want the Nursing and Midwifery Council of Nigeria to withdraw the circular within 48 hours because this is not benefiting the whole nurses. If we look into the present situation of the country at recent, it's not conducive for any nurse. But irrespective of the condition, we are just making this a peaceful protest. Very, very peaceful. So if prevention there is no action after this, we hereby want to let you know that we will be going on national strike. Irrespective of whatsoever the condition might have been. Let them go and nurse their patient by themselves. We are not slaves. We want, okay, let's look into serious things happening. They can't withdraw or they can't stop backward, irrespective of the whole situation. What is there, they can't call them. You are not telling us we should not move out of the country because every condition is not perfect. So I hereby plead on behalf of myself and the whole nurses. We want them to withdraw the verification guideline within 48 hours. Yeah, also we are talking about the poor remuneration. It is not enough for us. Very, very poor. We talk about where nurses are taking delivery with torchlight. We are talking about insecurity in the country, whereby you will be harassed by patients. Yes, so nurses are earning 20,000 per goodness sake. I don't know why they don't talk about our remuneration, we don't talk about other things. Now, for irrespective of the data, the lowest a nurse can take, be it a diploma nurse, the reality is that the lowest nurse is taking 20,000 for goodness sake as a monthly take-home salary, which is not very okay for us. We are hereby saying we want to withdraw a good consideration as far as nursing is concerned. Thank you. Once again, from Anibosho General Hospital.
The greatest Nigerian nurses. Articulate Nigerian nurses. Of the greatest and greatest Nigerian nurses. Here we are today. We are not here today just as a visitor. We are not here for merriment. We are not here for dancing and talking alone. We are here today to recognize. This is the representative of Nursing and Midwifery Council of Nigeria. We are sending you to Farouk. We are sending you to Federal. We are not abusing everybody here. But our professional status has been abused by NMCA. And we want to register today. We want to say that particular circular on verification of a thing should be withdrawn. This immediate event. We are saying this with all sense of humility and responsibility. If they dare us, we will dare them. If they push us, we shall push them. If they say rubbish, we have a lot of rubbish in our mind. We are constitutionally guided by the federal country, with the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We are guided with the law of land. We have the freedom of movement. We have the freedom of expression. So we have freedom of expression. I want to say that today we are sending NMCA Lagos State branch to the national body that we are giving them 48 hours to withdraw that particular satanic circular. Number 2, we want that particular 2 hours of so-called you have to be in system to be reversed. We say no to that. The so-called 6 months minimum of verifying our results or certificate. I want to challenge NMCN here today. Are you not the one that issued that particular certificate to us? Are you saying the certificate being released to us is a fake? Are you telling us that you have stupid people among you here? We are not abusing you, but we are challenging you. Try as much as possible to sanitize your system. Forget about sanitize us here. Before releasing any certificate or any license, check it very well, verify it very well, and issue it to us. That's why you are not issue that particular certificate. What kind of rubbish is that you want to verify for 6 months? Are you not sure? I'm not sure of what you will use. Another thing is that you are saying CMD, medical director, should be giving us good standing. Are you referring us to 17th century? This is 21st century. All the processes should be digitalized. It should be digitalized with immediate effect. And we are telling you today, if you dare us, we will shut down the healthcare system. Particular capacity. And the treasurer currently elected October last month, the Lagos State Land Treasurer. We are saying it with all sense of anger. We've already shut down the system in Lagos State. When we are getting for attention, regularization, and the so-called poor working conditions and all our what have you. We got everything sorted. So if they review, we are challenging them to review first. If they are saying they want to invest, no work, no pay, no problem. We are not valued here. We are going to where we are valued. Nobody can intimidate us. Nobody can rubbish us. They are valued us in US. We are valued in UK. We are valued in Canada. They are waiting for us. Australia is waiting. UK is waiting. US is waiting. If we stay on our way, we shall be put up. We shall be wicked. We shall be fought. We shall be deadly. For the challenge. I'm Comrade Amusokazi Ayobami, the Lagos State Land Treasurer.
My name is Thomas Abiodun-Olamide, a representative of Niger Nurses Forum. We are here to condemn the verification portal shut down by NMCN without prior notification. Yes. And we are also here to condemn the new guidelines set by NMCN for verification. Yes. We are nurses licensed by the NMCN. Yes. So, lawfully, we should not be expecting our own regulatory body to refer us back to any head or CMG to give us authorization letter for our own verification. That is totally wrong and an act of human rights violation. So in this vein, we are calling on the NMCN registrar, Nurse Umar Farouk Abubakar, to reverse the new verification guidelines. Instead, Nurse Farouk should work towards proper placement. nurses in the federal health system and states in general. We are also calling on the NMCN registrar to work towards proper remuneration for nurses. We are calling upon him to also work towards proper hazard allowance for nurses. And according to them, they said it is because of the shortage of nurses they are trying to prevent Japa. Lots of nurses are in Nigeria and unemployed. Lots of nurses are in Nigeria working in private hospitals earning poorly. Lots of nurses are in Nigeria whose licenses are being used unauthorized by private hospitals for accreditation. That is, I believe that is, what do we call it? What do we call it in law? Intellectual property fraud is what we call it in law. We expect the NMCN registrar to fight for all these things rather than coercing nurses to forcefully stay back. And as it is now not affecting only nurses in Nigeria. There are some nurses abroad, like those in Canada, that wants to change their profile. They are not able to do so because the verification portal has been shut down. Those in the US, they are unable to move from one state to another because they are unable to access the verification portal. So we say no. So we say no to this new verification guidelines. We say no. We say no to operation of nurses. In this way, we say we don't go free for anybody.
Great Nigerian nurses.
Yeah, my wonderful people. No be small thing, no. I say you don't see am. I tell you people that after this football, so many people go rise up for inside Nigeria. But let me tell you people, the government will try to stop you people. But if you determine and said no, I'm still believing what you believe. No matter what happen, no matter anything what they do, no matter the intimidation, when I go succeed. And they make a way so that everybody go come together for the round table, come decide in faith for inside Nigeria. Because if not this way, youth, wake up. Content creators, wake up. Use your platform. Because things are going to be happening as I'm telling you. So please share this video and leave your own opinion. Are you a nurse planning to japa? This video is for you. Share them. And may very soon they go sue they do am for other session. Very soon now doctor. Very soon now they enter for even Okada rider self. They go even buy the Okada rider from Japa from inside Nigeria. Okay, my people, we'll quickly see you for the next update as it dey hot. Share this video.